Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I make Bantu knot on my hair. I kept this Bantu knot in for about 4 days. I plan to kept it in for 2 days or 3 days, but it live happened. I fell sick, so I could not even touch my hair. So after 4 days, I am making this bantu knot. So let me explain how I made this bantu knot. When I wanted to make this bantu knot, I did not apply anything on my hair, and this was done on a very dry hair. Like my hair was dry when I made this bantu knot. I've tried to make a bantu knot out on a very or a band to not twist out on a very wet air, and the result was a disaster. So this time around I made the bounce knot on a very dry hair. I did not moisturize before I made this bounce knot, and it's my first time. Actually, I've been trying, but it has not been giving me the result I want. But this time around the result was very good. I got my desired result, and I am very proud of my hair. Like, my hair has been, it has been obeying me because she must, because it is mine, and I love it. So guys, this banknote is actually very easy. I didn't know it was this easy, but it is easy. I am telling you that it is easy. Some people apply products to their hair before they want to not products like gel or some leave-in conditioner or some twisting cream or something like that. But I did not apply anything to the hair. I did not apply anything. I just twisted my hair, then I roll it into bantu knot, and that's it. So I made a video of a bantu knot because I want to show you how I made the bantu knot, how I twisted my hair, and how I made the bantu knot. But unfortunately I deleted the video, and I could not redo that. It is not possible. I cannot lose my hair and make the video again. So next time I am going to be showing you how to make a bantu knot. Trust me, it is very simple. It is nothing difficult. There is nothing difficult there. It is very, very simple. So recently, I don't know why my hormone has been acting up. My hormone has been acting up, and I don't know why. For about a couple of months now, my hormone has been acting up. Like, I felt sick every period. I felt sick anytime I'm having my period. Malaria, I'm always down with malaria, and this is very, very unusual. It is very unusual. I don't feel like this when I started. It just started, boom, all of a sudden, and seems like something I will be living with. But I don't want to leave it. Something I don't want to leave it. I don't want to believe it, but this is happening. I don't know why. I don't know. In case you have any idea about what is happening, maybe it is my diet or anything that is causing it. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, so it is coming out very nice, guys. Can you see the coil? So guys, let me explain something to you. When you are trying to take out your bantu knot for a twist out, for a twist out, please do make sure you are very, very gentle. Be very, very gentle, because you don't want to distort the coil. So make sure you are very gentle, and make sure your hair is where the tangle before you make the bantu knot. Make sure you This is because when you are about to take it out, your hair must not be tangled. It must not be tangled, because those coil will be distorted, and you don't want that. It is that coil that you want, exactly. So you have to make sure that you are gentle, and you are very, very careful when you are taking them out, so as to achieve the desired result. Can you see the coil, guys? I'm very, very proud of my hair. Like, it has been obeying me. Can you see? So guys, I am going to be trying the one with gel Yes, I'm going to be trying that. But this one, I didn't use anything. Come on, guys. Come on, girl. Come on. Yeah, so it's beautiful, and here I am trying to style it to my taste. Yeah, to my taste, what I want exactly. And yeah, I love it. I love the outcome, guys. This is beautiful, and sure, I will try it again. Like it's my new achievement. Like I love it. I love Bantu Nut. I love it. Like I will be trying it more often now. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Babe. See those coil. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. Aww. Guys, what do you think? So before you go, please like this video, drop your thought in the comment section. Will you be trying Bantu Nut out? See you again. Bye.